think we can all agree that not being able to get distracted is a superpower, and that superpower can actually be trained. It's called focus. Focus is our ability to do something distraction-free. Focus will not only be able to make our lives better, our academic success better, but also our relationship better and business work better. Generally, we would all benefit from being more focused in our day-to-day lives. I struggled with focus a lot during my first year of college, especially during high school. I used to spend like 10 hours studying inefficiently and the grades just weren't good. I hope someone can relate to me because I really felt shit back then. After spending a lot of time reading about self-improvement books, deep work-focused books, and listening to a lot of podcasts about our focus, in this video I would like to talk a bit about some beginner mistakes that people could make when they are trying to get their focus to the next level. Starting with number one, and that is not having a plan. I actually never really struggled with this. If I remember me being young as a first year of high school, I always used to make plans. Plans would be making a simple to-do list about studying some sections for a specific exam that is coming up in my high school year. That is basically because when our brains, know that we have a lot to do and we don't have a specific plan, we tend to get very anxious and very into our heads. So having a specific plan gives us a route to go somewhere. Action step that you can take right now is, if you have some plan, is taking a simple sheet of paper like this and writing 5 tasks that you need to do for today. Task number 2 is too much task switching, or you can even call it a myth, and that is task switching. Multitasking is a myth because humans were not made to multitask. We were made to focus on one thing and focus very good at it. So I would advise you not to multitask, just to, if you have a specific block of time where you're doing only one task, trust me, just focus on that one task. And one more thing, try to minimize your task switching as much as possible, because when you task switch, there is that couple of minutes where your brain stays on the previous task. And that means that that couple of minutes are just gone in vain. They are just spent without any meaning. So basically, yeah, takeaway from this is try to minimize multitasking and please minimize your task switching. Mistake number 3, not utilizing time blocking in your day-to-day life. Time blocking is basically what it says, allocating a certain amount of time for some task. With the combination of mistake number 1, if you recall not having a plan, it tends to make our brain wander and basically do nothing, spend time in vain, scrolling on social media, since it's way more comfortable than actually doing the hard stuff that we need to do. That is why time blocking is so powerful, because it tricks your brain. It tells your brain, okay, now I have to do something, and now I will do only the thing that I allocated the time for. For example, in my case, it would be if I have to study for an exam, let's call computer graphics, I would go on Google Calendar and allocate a portion of time like this. Now I know that for the next half an hour, I'm studying computer graphics and doing computer graphics only. Since we are on a topic of social media, mistake number 4, which should be pretty obvious, that is keeping your phone near you. I see so many people trying to study or trying to get focused when their phone has notifications on and is directly in front of them, faced upwards. Like, I don't have a phone to show you, but faced upwards. I hope you can try and visualize that. Of course, they're not going to be focused, since their focus is getting zapped every second, like this, from one notification, one phone call. Everything is trying to get your attention. So don't let them get your attention. Minimize the sound on your device, turn on do not disturb mode. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And mistake number 5, which maybe should have been the first one, and that is not prioritizing your diet, your sleep, and exercise for your focus. All of them combined, if you're not utilizing them, you will struggle to focus, especially sleep. If you're getting A bad night's sleep, it will show on your workflow and it will show on your focus. If you're not exercising, not getting that blood flow through your whole body, not getting it to your brain, it will also show on your workflow. If you're eating carbs, processed food, sugar, shit, everything, it will show on your focus. So don't do it. Trust me. Optimize these three and you will see a lot of changes, especially in your work. Now with all those tips, you should be on your way to a more satisfying workflow and a more focused deep work session next time you are trying to do something important. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to comment down below and subscribe for more. And until the next video, I'll see you.